What is going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make custom TRD brake calipers for your 2011 to 2016 Scion TC. Before I actually get into this, let me kind of just explain why I'm making this video. It's pretty tragic. So tragic. So right here are a pair of the Scion TC TRD big brake upgrade. Now, this is why it's kind of tragic, and it still doesn't sit right with me, but whatever. If you are looking, and I'll just kind of save you the effort of doing this, if you're looking and interested in getting or, converting to the Scion TC TRD big brake upgrade, you actually can't anymore. You used to be able to, you can't do it. So I have a pair of the calipers right here, obviously, and they look beautiful. They're just ready to go on the car. Here's kind of the thing. So when doing the research, you'll find that the brake lines had a recall on them, which is fine. You can get over that. StopTech makes brake lines for them. The second thing is finding calipers. I got these on eBay for about 350 bucks. Comes with the hardware needed to install it too, OEM hardware and everything. And lastly, rotors. Now here's kind of the issue that it's kind of pissing me off, because if you search up on any Toyota parts website, anything like that, any genuine Toyota parts website, you can find the rotors all day. I was even able to purchase the rotors, right? So I go ahead and I purchase the rotors that are needed for the kit, and I get a message from Toyota saying, hey, these are discontinued. All right, then why the fuck is it on your store? Like, take it off, right? And it's weird because if you search, Scion TC big brake upgrade rotors, you can find them on every single Toyota you go to, but apparently they're discontinued. It kind of sucks, but the reason why I'm not as tight as I should be is because I did the proper research. It doesn't say anything about being discontinued or anything like that. I've tried custom rotors and I've tried to look for alternatives, but as of right now, I can't find anything that's compatible with these. To kind of wrap things up, if you are looking into getting the TRD big brake upgrade for your Scion TC, you can't actually do it. So don't waste your time on the parts like I did. The rotors are discontinued. So you would basically have brake lines like I do, and you would have calipers like I do, just sitting here doing nothing. All right, so with that kind of being said, there's two ways you can do this. You can do this the cheap way, or you can do this the expensive way. The cheap way would be to paint your calipers red, just kind of block everything off and spray paint it red. The more expensive way is to get these powder coated calipers. Now I got these from TRQ, and they already come powder coated red. It's pretty fucking tragic, bro, but there is always an alternative to things, and this was the alternative. We're basically recreating the TRD caliper. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. They're about 200 something for both calipers, brakes, and rotors, drilled and slotted rotors, so you can get the whole kit for like 200 something, and it comes with everything you need. After you figure out which choice you've managed to do, you're gonna get a set of TRD stickers. Now, I got these off of Amazon for like $6. We're gonna be using the smaller font TRD, so you can see right here on this surface, it kind of matches up just like that. And so I'll pretty much just take a section of the sticker, because it comes in a 4-pack, and I'll just line it up with the caliper the way that I want it. So I'm thinking straight across like that. So you don't want it too high and you don't want it too low. Just like that. Let that sit for a little bit, unless I could just peel it off. So the reason why I'm not really prepping it is because these are brand new. So you can see that now has the TRD symbol. This is what the finished product looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that bad. And I'm trying to picture it on the car right now. I definitely have not seen this before. I'm not saying I'm the only one, but it's definitely different. Like I said, very tragic that I can't actually use the real TRD ones, but this will have to do in the meantime. But let's go ahead and do the other caliper real quick. All right, so I just smacked out the other one, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. Now, like I keep saying for the millionth time, it doesn't look as good as the regular TRDs, but I do think it does look good. I can't wait to see what they look like on the car. Like I said, it's just a very quick, easy alternative to the big brake kit. Let's go see what they look like next to the real deal. So here's all four together, and I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, the real deal looks a lot cooler. And on camera, it kind of looks like two different reds, but in person, it looks like the same thing. I think it's definitely rockable. It doesn't look that bad. Here's kind of a trick to make this sticker last longer on the caliper, is you're gonna get some clear coat. Now, what I mean by that is you want the clear, because if you get like a satin clear coat or you get like a matted clear coat, it's gonna look weird because you're spraying it just in this area and it'll look kind of matted instead of shiny. And I'm assuming you want a shiny look, so you would go with the clear. Using the clear will kind of protect it further from, you know, rock chips, you know, all stuff like that. But anyway, that's just kind of a helpful tip to make your stickers last a lot longer. If you did enjoy this video, or if this helps you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.